So today is going to be week one's check-in on my witchy garden to see how it's growing. So I planted seeds about a week ago for the full moon, and it's actually a whole week from that day. And I wanted to show you guys my little garden. Oh, there's me in the mirror. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around really quick. Okay, so I got one of the brand is Jiffy. I'm sure there's tons of them all over the place, but this is like one of those greenhouse kits with like the refillable water. So I have that sitting in my kind of messy studio. And then I have my little gnome that I blessed to keep my plants safe, and they're just doing super good. And wow, okay. So it looks like it might be a little bit wet in there, but okay guys, so this is a super common problem to have, and I literally have this every single year. I think I just overwater things, but so you can see there's a little bit of like mold growing on some of the seeds, which super sucks, but it's not a super big deal. All I'm gonna do is take the top off of the greenhouse, and I'm gonna let air flow into it. I'm gonna literally take it completely off, and that should help dry everything out. I know I put a lot of water in there just to like get everything started, and I am notoriously good at overwatering, so I think that's what happened. Not a big deal. You can usually save seeds from that point, and I put so many in each of the little seed packets. It was recommended to do 2 or 3. I usually do 4 or 5 just because I'm notorious for killing things, but I'm just gonna let this air out, and I'll see you guys in another week. Please let me know if you have any questions about gardening or anything. It is super fun for me, so yeah, I would love to hear what your questions are if you have any, and what you're growing in your garden. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.